Hello guys, I am Satyendra Verma. Who people want to improve the fluency, who people want to learn the English, they people can watch this video because in this video I am going to tell you my daily routine and who people want to learn the English, they people can make the daily routine because only present indefinite tense is used and okay, without delay let's be start. I wake up early morning and then after I take a glass of water, then after I go for freshen up and then after I wear my dress to go for company and I takes the company bus around 8:10 8:15 and my company bus is take the time to reach the company 20 to 25 minutes and after reaching my company I takes some breakfast and finally I am ready to do my duty and my duty is start 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. 8 hours 30 minutes, this is a duty time and in duty time lot of work are there because in a private sector very pressurized job and a lot of work are there and very challenging is came sometimes but sometimes the very easy work. Yeah, definitely if I am able to do work, so I do. If I have any doubt, so I ask my manager, I ask my senior persons. So no problem, actually I am habitual for my job, but day by day I learning the new things and I think who people is learning the new things, this is a very good because new things is help to gain the knowledge. New uh, new knowledge is very helpful for to grow the careers. So I think this is a need for the everybody and who people have this types of thought, I think this is a very good because day by day is learn the new things and increase the knowledge and then after I take the lunch 1 p.m. and then after I my tea break time is 4 p.m. and then after my duty time is 5:30 is over and then after I take the bus to come my home and bus is takes the 20 to 25 minutes the time to come back and after reaching my home I flush my mouth and then after I take some rest and I go for the evening walks and after completion of my evening walk I am come back my home and I read some books related to chemical engineering because this is my core subject and yeah, that's why I read and then after I take the dinner and finally I go for my bed around 10 to 10:30 p.m. Yeah, this is my daily routine. Okay, that's it in this video and I will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.